Let's get this right. Today on Panic Eats, we're gonna make garlic Parmesan buffalo wings because sports are around us and you're probably gonna have friends over at your house, and this is how you're gonna wanna do it. So we're gonna start off taking some chicken wings, fresh chicken wings. We're gonna season them with some salt, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some chili powder, black pepper, and some smoked paprika. Then you're going to take your tongs, toss those around, right? Take a splash of high heat oil. We're gonna use avocado oil, right? Just maybe 2 teaspoons. And then we're gonna take some cornstarch. This is really gonna help crisp up those wings. Give all that a toss. Take an air fryer basket. I don't know how your air fryer works. I got one of these little baskets. Put your wings in there in a nice even layer, so everyone gets some exposure, right? Put your wings in the air fryer. We're gonna go unpreheated, 375 for 16 minutes. Whew. While those wings are cooking, we're gonna take some hot sauce. Take about 2 tablespoons of butter. Drop that in there. I want you to take some Parmesan. Sprinkle that in there. A teaspoon of minced garlic. And we're gonna melt that down over medium heat. All right, about halfway through those wings, about 8 minutes. 8 minutes! We're gonna take them out, we're gonna check them. Give them a good toss around, flip them around, you know, get those wings. That's about 8 minutes. We're gonna go for 8 more minutes. Right when that sauce starts bubbling, we're gonna remove it from the heat and we're gonna set it aside. Now is a perfect opportunity, if you haven't, to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that. So we got our wings, right? 16 minutes. Good wings. Wings, see that? You see that? Next, take your buffalo garlic Parmesan sauce. Toss them with some tongs. And this is what I want you to do. And I want you to try it out if you've never done it before. Don't just serve your wings like this. Don't just take them out of the bowl, sauce them, and you're good to go. I want you to sauce them up real good. I want you to put them back in the air fryer. Right? Some people call me crazy. And I'm okay with that. But anyone who's ever had my wings loves my wings. Put them back in the air fryer, 375, right? 2 minutes. You're gonna wanna keep this bowl for when they come out. There's still all that goodness in there, that garlic, you know, that parm. Take them out, put them back in the bowl. Toss them in whatever's left. Grab a plate, a bowl, whatever you're gonna serve these on. Take your wings and lay them out. Right? Take your Parmesan cheese. Get them on there. Right? Take your parsley flakes and go to town. And then, when you've realized that you've plated this like an imbecile, for the slow-mo outro B-roll, we're gonna align these in a little pile like that. Thanks for watching. If you want to know what to dip these in, we got a video about ranch, and for the most part, after that, you'll be good to go. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.